Week 3 of winter brings a very unique town event, the night market. The night market is a 3-day long event that happens after 5 p.m. each night. There will be several merchants selling different goods. This one sells different seasonal seeds every night. If you head over to the end of the dock setup, you will find the boat with a mermaid show. Simply click on the shell to start the show. Once the show is over, you will have to click the shells in this sequence. 1, 5, 4, 2, 3. Upon doing this, you will receive a pearl. You can only do this one time during the 3-night market. Also, the time does not stop during the show. You can also get one of the 9 famous Lupini paintings sold during the night market. And don't forget to grab a free coffee each night. The biggest thing you can do during this is going down into the submarine. Here you will be able to get some rare fish like the midnight squid, spookfish, and my all-time favorite, the blobfish. Time does not stop while going up and down in the submarine. It takes 40 in-game minutes to descend and to come back up. I always try to bring a farm warp totem with me, but if you forgot, you can purchase one from this shrouded figure for 250 gold. If you are getting stocked up on coffee beans and coffee, then now is a good time to grab the triple shot espresso recipe from Gus for 5,000 gold. This buffer recipe takes 3 coffees and lasts a little over 4 minutes real time. One of the special order board quests will have the wizard asking you for a prismatic jelly. This jelly can only be found when the quest is active. You will have to slay a prismatic slime to get it. Finding one of these slimes are affected by luck. Once you bring the jelly to the wizard, he will then shoo you away in a really rude manner. However, he will send you the recipe for monster musk in the mail, which is really useful once you are trying to complete the monster slayer goals. By now, you should be getting the bridge repaired in the community center bundles. Once the quarry is open, you can find all sorts of loot here. You will also find a mine shaft that leads to weird looking slimes and skeleton faces that try to attack you. Quick tip. Try not to trigger all of the skeleton faces at once. At the end of this shaft, you will find the golden scythe. Don't forget you have to make it all the way back out because there isn't a ladder leading out at the end. This is also a great place to get stones. If you enjoyed this Stardew Valley tips and tricks video, be sure to like and subscribe.